Today we're making low-calorie pistachio-flavored ice cream in the Ninja Creami. This is a flavor I don't see very often, but it is so good. I absolutely love it. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through a combination of mindful eating and daily walking, and now I'm sharing recipes with you guys that I enjoy that help me to keep the weight off. So if you've been watching my videos, then you know I love making my own ice cream in the Ninja Creami. This is not a paid endorsement, it's just a really convenient way to make your own ice cream and control exactly what goes into it. Now, this pistachio ice cream is a flavor that I love because it reminds me of a restaurant I used to go to that sold pistachio muffins. And when I first tried this Jell-O pistachio pudding mix, I was like, oh, it's that flavor that I remember from all those years ago in ice cream form. It's so good, it's so tasty, and this is insanely low in calories too. So it's something I could have every single night guilt-free. All right, I've said enough. Let's go ahead and start making this ice cream, all right? Let's get cooking. We're starting off as usual with 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of Xanthan Gum. This will be a nice thickening agent and help prevent ice crystals. 3 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener. I've got a Monkfruit and erythritol blend, but you could use Splenda or whatever you like, as long as it is a 0-calorie sweetener. This is just the one that I prefer. A pinch of salt, just a little bit. I always say just a little under 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a little bit. I always just sprinkle a little bit into my hand, not a whole lot, just a little. That's it, no more. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I've been using the same container of salt all this time and I still haven't refilled it. That's how little salt I use. Don't make your ice cream salty. Gross. Now we're gonna add 1 uncooked egg yolk from a large pasteurized egg. That's important. This egg has been pasteurized, meaning it's been heated enough to kill off any bacteria, so it's safe to consume without cooking. And if you'd like to know how to pasteurize your own eggs, I've got a video that shows how to do just that, so you can prepare eggs for recipes that require raw eggs. And the last ingredient, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of pistachio-flavored Jell-O pudding mix, 0 sugar. That's it. That's gonna add that wonderful pistachio flavor. Oh, I can smell it already.
'Cause you can smell it.
All right, well now, let's go ahead and blend this up. Okay, I've got the blender here, I've got the blades on. Let's go ahead and give this a little swirl. I just wanna make sure that nothing is settled on the bottom. Let's go ahead and blend it up. Here we go. Just let it blend for a little while. I like to let it thicken up.
A few moments later.
All right, there we go. That is how it's supposed to look. Green and thick, just like Shrek. Now let's get this into a Ninja Creami pint. So let's go ahead and pour all of this right on in there. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, it's not every day you see a green ice cream or frozen dessert that's not mint or lime. Bit of a unique one here. Now let's go ahead and put a lid on it. Color coordination. And put this in the freezer overnight.
The next day.
All right, so here's our frozen pistachio ice cream. I am excited, so let's just go ahead and pop this thing right on into the Ninja Creami. We're gonna hit Lite Ice Cream and do our first spin. All right, first spin is done. Let's take a look and see how it's looking. Yeah, it's just about what I thought. Not bad, but it could be a little smoother and creamier. So I'm gonna add a splash of milk, put this in one more time, and this time we're gonna hit respin. Here we go. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's take a look at this pistachio ice cream. Yeah, that is exactly how I thought it was going to be. Perfectly smooth and creamy. Look at that little ripple going on in there. This is the way I like it. I'm going to do a quick little taste test. Oh. The flavor just hits me. It's taking me back to that little cafe that had those pistachio muffins. Like I always like to do, I'm gonna add a little bit of fat-free Ready Whip on top. All right, well there it is, everybody, the completed pistachio ice cream. Look, I got that Ready Whip on top. Oh yeah. All right, let's try it with everything combined. Oh, that is it. That is it right there. That is everything. The flavor is fantastic. And like always, the Ready Whip just goes well with all of these ice creams. I am so glad they make fat-free Ready Whip. It's amazing. It's so low in calories. In fact, speaking of calories, let's go over the macros on this. Well, hold on. After I get one more bite. Come on. All right, so not counting the Ready Whip, which is only like 5 calories. This entire container of ice cream is only 164 calories. So I guess if you want to count that, it's maybe about 170 with the Ready Whip. Well, depending on how much you want. If you want to add more, that's going to change it. But 164 calories just for that ice cream. 13 grams of carbs, only 4 grams of fat, and 15 grams of protein. Can you believe that? That is amazing. That is insane. It is so low in calories. That's why I said I could eat this literally every single night and not have the slightest issue. Hold on. Oh, it's so good. Well, as always, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my pistachio ice cream. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for recipes you might like to see, leave them in the comments below. Let me know if you have any specific ice cream flavors that you'd be interested in seeing me try out. Thank you all so much, and keep on eating. Just like me.